So now that you've made your millet bread, roti or paranthi, here is a way that you can save or store it for a week or more and still maintain its freshness. After you've finished making all the paranthis, stack them up but keep a piece of parchment paper in between. As you will see later, this is going to prevent the paranthis from sticking to each other. After you're done, take a bag that you can close off tightly, and I'm just repurposing another bag that I have in the house. Put all the paranthis in the bag and close it tightly. Don't forget to write or label what the packet contains, and then just keep it in the freezer. When you need to eat the paranthi, just take it out of the freezer, out of the bag, the whole pile like this. Separate out the top paranthi if it comes off easily, otherwise don't pull it. Just leave it for a few seconds till it thaws. Then all you have to do is put it on a hot skillet. It will become soft in a matter of a few seconds, and then flip, add ghee, ghani oil, whatever you prefer, and cook it till it's done. And use most of your oil or ghee at this point, not when you're going to freeze it. You will appreciate the parchment paper now when you try to separate these pieces. You might need to use a spatula for this purpose, but do that and do not pull it off with your fingers because otherwise you might break the paranthi. Continue to cook this way till you've used up as many paranthis as you want, and you can put the rest back in the freezer. So this is how you cook and store for more than a week if you like, and eat a fresh tasting one each time.